Hey everyone, I have a order from TikTok shop to share with you guys. My friend T showed that she got this label maker. It's like a mini Bluetooth label maker, I guess. And I want to do it for my swatch sticks. I want to re-swatch all my acrylics that I have. And I noticed on my older ones where I wrote on it with the marker, it's like wiping off and you can't really see it no more, and so I thought it would look better to do with the label maker, because I did like on these ones I took some washi tape and I wrote it on there, and then I put some clear, scotch tape over top of it to try to protect it, but even that kind of looks, messy. So I think the label maker, putting those on, it'll just look better. So I'm excited for it and I want to share it with you guys. It came actually really quick. It said it wasn't going to be here for another few days, so I was impressed with how quick it came. It was, I think, $10.99 on. I got it for. I had a $5 coupon, and it was on sale. So this is what the box looks like. D11 Pro in white. So yeah, let's open it and see. It says it's for iOS and Android. I know there's like an app that I have to download to be able to use it. So I'll open it and then I'll hopefully show you guys that after. Or show it working after at least. Cool. I'm excited. I've never used a label maker before, like ever, not once in my entire life. So, okay, so it comes with a little cordy thingy and the thingy-mabobber and this. Hopefully it has like the label paper in it because I don't see that. So I'm hoping it's inside. So yeah, here it is. Okay, so I took it out of this plastic thingy and I was reading the directions here. And it says before you do anything, you want to charge it, right? Obviously, with everything, you want to charge it first. But it says how to turn it on, what it comes with, and I was worried because I didn't see the paper anywhere, so I figured out how to open it, and to open it I had to slide this over. It's got like a lock thing, right? So to open it I went like that and opened it, and here is the paper. It says invalid if removed, so and it says to put that with the paper facing up. So I have to download this app and then I will try to figure it out and I will be back to show you guys.